Perhaps I can start with a personal story here. I started out as a manual tester back in 2010 with the most basic knowledge of testing. I had some coding experience and I only knew that the tester has to find issues before they go to production. But the approaches and strategies were not something I really thought about. There are different companies and different approaches what roles a manual testers carry. But in my experience, it's always best to understand the end customer because it helps you to prioritize your tests instead of just following what your test lead or a manager says. So be curious. Software testers have a lot of responsibilities that differ from job, test case, end product, end user profile. But overall, a tester has a responsibility to ensure functionality and think like an end user. But what's an average day on the job like? Well, testers will execute a test case according to instructions. Some testers write their own test cases and some are given test cases from a testing manager. As they execute a test case, testers log issues and classify bugs. Then they reproduce those issues while taking notes. They analyze the root cause of the bug. They evaluate the issue and what they learned from testing to debrief the development team. At the end of the testing cycle, the testers normally will create a bug report to share their findings with the development team. From there on, the bug can be fixed, and this is what we want. We want better products. Exploratory testers spend hours tinkering around web and mobile apps to explore as deeply as possible and uncover opportunities for feature enhancements not covered by regression tests. Software testing is not a one-time job. For each release, new feature, new country or payment method added, more tests need to be completed. That means that testing is infinite. New runs need to be added. Software testers are required to be familiar with their web and mobile apps in order to continue testing throughout the product lifecycle.